If the roar of a well-tuned V8 engine is music to your ears, then the Automotive Service Technology program at Francis Tuttle is your place to rock out. Everyone needs a good automotive service tech at some point. If you like to work with your hands and want to enter the growing auto industry, our program gives you the knowledge and skills needed to service vehicles quickly and effectively. Accredited by the ASE Education Foundation, our program prepares graduates to enter the workforce with full knowledge of the latest tools and techniques available in servicing and repairing vehicles. Learn how to properly maintain automotive functions, diagnose issues, and repair anything from brakes to air conditioning systems. Our automotive program provides hands-on training with high-quality tools and state-of-the-art equipment, earning you the experience you need to enter the workforce. Accelerate your future with automotive services training at Francis Tuttle.